Hi guys, welcome back to Sosi's Palace. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not, hello and welcome back. Since we're all in the quarantine thing, instead of school, we all have a dance party. Sorry. We do homeschool, and if you don't do homeschool, good for you. It's exhausting. So today we are going to be making a beehive. The recipe is going to be called Beehive because, you know, since it's spring, bees are really making up hives in the tree. Anyway, we're going to need dough of any kind, any dough, rolling pin, spoon. It doesn't have to be wooden. I like this one. 2 of these paintbrush things, small and big or any. And this is called an egg wash. So we put a teaspoon of vanilla and only egg yolk, no egg whites, no egg shells. And then we have to mix them. That's why I have the spoon. And when we mix them, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. So, and this is oil. So yeah, and also you're gonna see what you happen. A plate. Pan, I don't know, whatever this is, and cubes of cream cheese and another spoon. So first you get a little of this dough, and then you get some on the paintbrush, and then you get it some on the plate. Okay. And then you put this piece of dough on the plate, and then you would have guessed, roll it, and it's so slippery. I'll use my hand. So, and in the background, that was my mom laughing, by the way. So when you spread it out, you get a cream cheese block. Put it inside. And roll it up. Okay. We're gonna need some more dough. Actually, no. I wish I had gloves. I hate this. Not because of the and stuff, because I'm getting dirty. Well, part of that, yes, but also there's something called Corona going on. What do we do again? We put the ball here in the middle, and then here comes the egg wash. So we have to. What? Oh, what do we do now? Oh, we make others. Sorry, this is gonna take me years, but keep watching. There's something special going on here. A 1,000 million hundred years later, hello, I'm 80,000 years old. So while we're doing this and stuff, since YouTube turned comments off and stuff, we have to, you can't contact me. I don't have Instagram yet. But when comments are back on, you can comment on this video, and if you hate it, you're a hater. Bye. So I had some questions while we're doing this and stuff. Since I can't really get to you or anything, I want to ask you these questions, and once comments are back on, come back to this video and answer them. So, like, what's your favorite book? Mine is, what's it called again? Junie B. Jones. Or book series, because that's a series and we're gonna need more dough. So, and also, what's your favorite color? Mine was pink and purple, like normal girls, but I like red now. It's more intense, you know what I mean? Favorite animal? Mine was puppy. I like puppies and giraffes now. You can add kitties. Okay, I can't choose what animal I like, but I can say elephant, camel, giraffe. That's it. And 1,000 million hundred more, but yeah. Where do you come from? My dad told me I come from Egypt, but I kind of find that hard to believe because I was like born in Germany, spent 1 year there, went 2 years in Egypt, and 4.5 years here in America. So my story is kind of confusing. People would say I was born in blank and I spent my whole life in blank. Me, I have 3 backstories. And I've been thinking, what do you want to be when you grow up? In this case, this reminds me of being a doctor, but I also wanted to be a teacher back then, but then nope. Teacher got expired when I saw what my real teachers were doing in real life. And what is your favorite subject? Mine's science and PE, and lunch isn't a subject, but I still love that. And so what's your favorite fruit? Watermelon and peach is mine. And really you don't. So we finished the first circle. And don't say like, guess, since we finished the first circle, yay, we're done, put it in the oven and yay. No, we still have to finish until the pan is full and start another circle. It's kind of like, if you think about it real good, it's kind of like a spiral art, you know? Those, you can find those at Dollar Tree or any dollar store available, and maybe even Walmart. But sad story, Toys R Us closed for how many days? Forever. And I've never really went to Toys R Us, so that's a big shame for me. And also, like, most of the things closed, and the world is being very unfair right now. There's a war going on in Walmart for toilet paper, and many things are going on. And this, in quarantined and stuff, since all of us are quarantined right now, this could be one fun thing to do. And since I don't have enough time for even more videos today, I'm gonna tell you stuff you can do at home while you're bored in quarantine. First, my personal favorite, watch TV. My second personal favorite is you could go on a walk around your house though. Not too much human interaction. And also, if you have a pet, you can care for it and play with it. Sadly, mine died a year ago. She was 22. Okay? She was a gerbil. Her name was Layla, and I really miss her though. Wait. And if you have pets, please care for them. Mine died maybe because she was too old, but I have a feeling that she died because I didn't care for her well enough. That's right, since I said, yeah, I don't blame if you say that, because like I said, my personal favorite was watching TV more than my pet. So that's some advice for you. And I'm almost done with the second circle, and it's looking very good. So I have a feeling this is going to be very successful. So continuing the list of stuff you can do, find out new hairstyles. I cut my hair a year ago, and wow, all the hairstyles in the world just flew over to me. And it was hard picking which haircut I wanted, because all of them I really wanted, but I chose one that's like, how do you say it? Who's a celebrity that has that kind of hair? Okay, I can't think of anybody, but it was like, this side is longer than this side, so it was like this. And it looked really cool. I was thinking to dye my hair, but I have my own washable hair dye at home, and it's really useful, but don't do it at the sink, do it at the bath. It destroyed my sink, literally, but we cleaned it. Also, a few weeks ago or months ago, there was a frog sitting outside our door. It was so cute. We took a picture of it, but predictably, it ran off because animals hate flash. But it was very cute. I thought of touching it, but then, oh no, I couldn't. And I know my birthday is November 5th, 2012. And I know it's still March and very, oh, look at the circle. It's almost done. And very, very far away from November, something like 9 months or that. But I asked my parents if I can start writing my wish list. And boy, it was a bucket list, not a wish list. Because there's something like go on a trip to Dubai or Paris, or Paris if you say that like that. And London, I wanted to go all there. And also I wanted to there was go to Disneyland. It was very doable. Ooh, look at it. We're done with the second circle. So I don't think we have room for a third circle. So now watch me mix up. Okay, I'm gonna need another spoon. BRB. So as you can see, yolks are very hard to mix. Or maybe that's my opinion. So since we broke up the yolk, I think this second one will work. Yep, it's gonna have to get washed. Wow, I love this color. It smells so good. So we get this big spatula paintbrush. We get some. Then drizzle. Oh, we paint them. So I think this one is just really big because it's rolling them out of place, and I'm getting really worried right now. And I really like it. It's satisfying, and the color of the balls is now really nice, and still the smell. And about that, we're done. Pausing the video so we can bake it and show you how it turned out. Welcome back. So we just found out that we have to bake it in for 24 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit until it gets golden brown. And I think that because golden brown, golden beehive, like that. So you put it in for 24 minutes until it gets golden brown at 350 Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching and be tuned. This is how it looks after it's done, and I forgot to tell you that before we put it in the oven, we put black seed on it. We didn't put on all because I don't like black seed that much. Then you do half, and you set it at 350 degrees, did I tell you? Anyway, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and a teaspoon of vanilla. What is this? Ew. A teaspoon of vanilla to make the syrup. So I hope I can do it. Is it done? No. Done. So, since we put the syrup on, it's very watery because we put water. Wait. Okay, so we're done, but first, taste test time. Stick together. Okay, so got this. It's good. And thanks for watching Susie's Palace. Bye.